Go.
I'm having fun swimming with my pretty bird. His name is Halo, and he's so nice.
He let you pet him? He's so nice. Oh, where's he going?
He's going to take some food.
Where is he going? He's just walking away. Where are you going? Where are you going? There you are. Oh, flapping away, flapping away. Here, let's put him by the steps. Come over here. There you go.
That's a little bit right.
Huh?
That's a little bit right. The rule.
Ooh, I think he likes it.
The flag right here, you don't like it.
I think he likes it.
I think you don't. He said, yes, yeah, I like it. I like it.
He's making noises.
He's making pretty noises.
Here, step up.
Step up.
There, good bird. Halo's a good
Are
bird.
you cold?
Let's put him on here. Let's see if he likes to go on here and check out the pool. There.
Are you cold? Are you cold? What do
You give him a kiss? You always have to kiss his wing.
Or how about his head?
Here, you're supposed to give him a kiss on the head like this. Like that.
Yeah, I'll come back later. Bye.
Where are you going?
The take some food.
Oh, he likes the pool view. He likes to watch you swim. What? Do some tricks in the water. Show him some tricks.
Hey! Hello!
Whoa, he's watching you too. He's not watching anymore. Call for his name. Say Halo. Say Halo.
Halo! Halo!
He heard you. Oh, he's looking now.
Halo! Halo, I got some rings! Halo!
You got rings? Let's see them. Let's see your pretty rings.
Okay.
Whoops.
Okay, do you want
Let me see your pretty rings. Let me see. Let me see them.
right here.
Ooh, those are some pretty rings. What do they have? Hearts and flowers?
Yeah.
That's so pretty. Where did you get those from?
From Nana.
From Nana?
See?
Yes, I do. Let's see if Halo likes your rings. They like to nibble on rings. Does he like your rings? The pool is blue just like him. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at you got thumb rings. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Let's see both of your hands. Let's see them. Oh my gosh, your hands look beautiful with those rings on. Look at, I have a thumb ring too. See?
Yeah. And mine.
Mine's pink.
Mine's too.
Your flower one is pink, isn't it? Pink flowers and your hearts.
And this one is.
That's
The
awesome.
other one's blue.
I love them. I just love them, Heaven.
Yeah, I like the rings.
Halo. What's Halo doing? Ooh, there you go. Halo's a pretty bird.
You're not scared, Mama.
Halo's a pretty bird.
Mom.
No, he's not scared of the pool.
I'm scared of the pool.
That's just a leaf. Oh, he's talking. No, he just made a bird noise. But he will talk soon, won't he?
Yeah.
We're going to teach him all kinds of songs and words.
And he must sing. He must sing.
What if he says, Heaven, come play with me? Wouldn't that be cool?
Oh, yeah.
Let's see if he wants to get down by you and say hi.
Hi, little pinky.
There you go. There you go. Halo's such a nice bird. Where is he going? He's just walking everywhere. You got to put your finger out and say, step up. Like this, remember? You got to step up. You got to put it right in front of him. Here, I'll show you like this. You got to go, step up. There. Ready? Put your finger out.
Mama, go swim for her.
Oh, you want to swim then?
Yeah, a little bit.
You don't want to hold your bird?
Are you sad?
Yeah.
Oh.
The birdie's sad. Halo's sad.
Hey, go.
He's like, oh, well, I'm just going to go up here. You're crazy.
He's hiding.
He's hiding on my shoulder, isn't he?
No, he's right in your hair.
He's hiding.
In your hair?